Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Today I'm taking you on a walking tour of one of Barcelona's most popular beaches, NovIcàriIn. This beach is known for its calm waters, lively atmosphere, and stunning views of the city skyline. So let's get ready to explore this beautiful beach in 4 Kelvin Ultra HD camera. Before we start our journey, I want to ask you to hit that like button if you're excited to explore NovIcàriIn with me today.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe my Patreon. Link below.
And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future travel adventures. And with the beach just steps away, you can enjoy your meal with an incredible view. One of the unique features of NovIcàriIn is the sculptures that line the promenade. These sculptures were created by local artists and add a touch of creativity and culture to the beach experience. You'll find everything from giant conch shells to abstract figures, each one adding to the overall vibe of the area. As we approach the end of our walk, you'll see the beach start to empty out as the sun sets behind the city skyline. It's a truly breathtaking sight that you won't want to miss. Before we go, I want to remind you to leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought of our walk today. Did you enjoy exploring NovIcàriIn with me? And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future travel adventures. Thanks for joining me on this walking tour of NovIcàriIn in Barcelona. Until next time,
Чисто на
keep
випке продают.
exploring.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!